Hello students. All right, if you are watching this video, it means that you are considering this alternative assignment to The Alchemist and the assignments associated with that book. This alternative assignment is the crash course activity. And in this video, I'm going to be going over everything that you need to know in order to approach this activity with some confidence and complete it successfully before the end of your break. All right, so this is the document that was shared with you, and on this document you've been given some information, some instructions. Of course, first I've asked you to watch this video that you're watching now, and then we get into the slides. So I ask that you open the slides using the link on the document, and not just open them, but I'm also asking for you to make a copy of them and then rename your copy to include your name, and I've given you an example here. So let's go ahead and go through that process. So you're going to use the link to access the slides. Of course, this is my copy. What you're going to do is go File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation, and you're going to replace my name with your name. So we'll get rid of copy of. Let's spell this correctly, shall we? And then you're going to replace my name with your name. All right, and then you'll click OK. All right, so now you should have your very own copy, editable copy of these slides, meaning that you can actually interact with these slides, write on these slides, delete, change, however you will, but you'll be completing the work on this copy of the slides. Also, the second thing that you need to do after you've made your own copy is share this with me. So I'm going to ask that you use the share button and actually send this over to me. You can type my email in there as ejenkins@hightechhigh.org, and just make sure that I can at least comment. I don't need to be an editor, but I need to be able to comment. All right, so now let's dig into these slides, shall we? On the second slide, you're given yet another link. So of course, number one is watch the tutorial. The video that you're watching now should be here. Secondly, I'm going to ask that you use this link here, which will direct you to the crash course website. And once you're here, my ask is that you select the course you're interested in committing to for this assignment. So when you go to the website, and if you scroll down, you will find you're given an option to choose a course. And if you scroll, there are so many different subjects, varying subjects to choose from: philosophy, literature, media, mythology, physics, world history, U.S. history, study skills, government, ecology. There's like so many, the list really seems to go on and on. So I want you to really look carefully over these options and pick a course that really stands out to you. Maybe a course that you're already interested in, or a course that you've been meaning to learn more about. I don't want you to feel that because this is a humanities class, that the work that you do or the course that you choose needs to be humanities related. If you want to do, I don't know, film study or games, you can do that. If you want to do statistics, you can do that. Psychology, if you want to continue the work we've been doing and learn about philosophy, you can do that. So pick whichever course really stands out to you. But whichever course you choose, my ask is that you commit to one, and then I'm going to ask that you put the name of that course here. So say you choose astronomy. The name of the course that you choose should go in this box here. Okay? And then if we scroll down to the third slide says, the following slides is where you will summarize and reflect on each video that you watched. So let's go back to crash course. So I've chosen astronomy. If you click on the course that you choose, you'll see that you are given an option to choose from a number of videos. Each of these squares is its own video. Each video is sort of it talks specifically about a certain concept associated with the subject that you've chosen. So I'm in astronomy now, so you can see that there's a couple videos on galaxies, the Milky Way, there's a black hole video, low mass stars. So each video kind of talk specifically about a particular element of the subject that you've chosen. And you'll notice some of these subjects will have more videos than others. Astronomy has 2 full pages worth of videos to choose from. Each video is roughly 10 minutes long. Some of the other subjects don't have quite as many. And believe it or not, some subjects even have more videos than this. I'm not asking that you watch every single video. My ask is that you watch 10. So if you're into astronomy, perhaps you watch the 10 videos on, or the, 9 planets, right? And then choose meteors for your 10th video. The expectation is a minimum of 10 videos that you watch. So don't be overwhelmed if the subject that you're into has 3 or 4 full pages of videos. You're not expected to watch all those videos, just 10 for whichever subject you choose. And in the slides that follow slide number 3, you'll find, if you look over to the side here, there's several slides that follow, and each of these look the exact same. The idea here is that you're going to watch, let's get rid of this, sorry. You're going to watch those videos, those 10 videos, but after each video, my ask is that you respond to the video or reflect on the video using this slide here. So you're going to put the episode title. So if we are doing astronomy and I'm choosing comets, so I'm going to open this up. I'll watch the video and then I'm going to, respond to the video in the slides. So first things first, I know that I need the title. So the episode title was Comets. Then I'm asked for the link. And this is because if I'm reading your slides, I want to be able to have access to whatever video it is that you've watched. So once you've watched it, you're going to put the title up top. Then I'm going to ask you to put the link to the video. So you might just copy and paste the link here. And then answer or provide some insight or reflections in the spaces below. So first I'm asking for a summary. Then I'm asking for you to cover a couple new terms that you learned with their definitions and a personal reflection or takeaway, okay? So this is what I'll ask that you do for each of the 10 videos that you choose to watch. Then perhaps you'll move on to, the Milky Way. So you'll put the Milky Way here. You'll put the link to that video here, and again, respond to that video in these spaces here. So you're going to do that for 10 videos, and then the very last slide is a final reflection paragraph. So in this final reflection paragraph, you're going to, as it says here, type a well-structured and organized paragraph that addresses these 2 points here. Why did you pick the topic that you chose? And I want you to summarize what you learned in the videos that you watched, okay? So this is what you will do if you decide to pursue this alternative assignment. If you have questions, I'm available through email, of course, always. Reach out and hopefully I can provide some more insight. But other than that, I hope that you enjoy it. I hope it's something that you find interesting and fun. Something that provides you a little bit more choice and autonomy in making up assignments, and good luck and have fun.